Remember opening advent calendars as kids? Now imagine doing that with art. Hi there, it's Chris. If you're craving a cozy, creative way to celebrate the season this year, I have something super special to share with you. Introducing the Christmas Drawing Advent Calendar, a 25-day festive drawing journey right inside your iPad. Every day, you'll unwrap a brand new illustration lesson every single morning, just like opening an advent door, but even better. Instead of chocolates, even though we love them, each day brings a little creative treat: a sweet woodland friend, a twinkling ornament, a snowy cottage, a festive cookie, and so much more. Each lesson is a calm step-by-step video where you sit down with me and draw something fun and adorable. And the best part, at the end we take your drawings and turn them into gift tags, greeting cards, and postcards using the included printable templates. So you're not only creating a full storybook style Christmas scenes, you're also making handmade gifts for the people you love. Whether you're brand new to drawing or you've been creating for years, this course is designed to bring you joy, confidence, and that nostalgic spark of Christmas. If you're ready to draw your way to Christmas, one cozy little surprise at a time, come join me inside the Christmas Drawing Advent Calendar. Let's make this season magical together.